Have you ever had the feeling of being stuck? The feeling when you are unable to move forward or make any progress in anything that you pursue in life, such as in career, relationships, and personal growth? Well, this type of feeling is normal and you should acknowledge it. However, it is important to keep in mind that feeling stuck is a temporary state and that it's possible to take steps to overcome it and move forward. Here is why in this video, I will reveal the 5 habits that keep you stuck and how to win over them. Start investing your time to be the better and let's take action to get unstuck so you can enjoy the life you desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more. Habit number 1. You are hungry to learn new things. With access to the internet, the possibilities to acquire information are endless. So, there is no excuse to not be educated by things that you want to learn. However, there is a tendency to be too fascinated about consuming information, and this refers to infomania. The term infomania was used in the late 1990s to describe the excessive need or desire to acquire and process information. It's derived from the combination of the words information and mania, which refers to an intense or obsessive focus on something. May it be the need to constantly check emails, online news, or social media. The reason why it is making you stuck is that it makes you obsess over seeking information that might not even add up to your personal growth, which is quite sad. But the good news is that there are several ways for you to fight it. First is to set a limit on your technology use. Try to set limits on how much time you spend using technology and consuming information. You could use tools like screen time limits or apps to help you monitor and limit your usage. Second, take breaks. It's important to take breaks from consuming information and to give yourself time to rest and recharge. Third, seek balance. Find a balance between staying informed and connected and taking care of your physical and mental health. Lastly, be selective about the information you will acquire. You need to realize that although there are multiple ways for you to be informed, you still cannot know everything. What's most important is for you to keep the information that will contribute to your growth as a person. Habit number 2. You're strapped in the knowing-doing cycle. All bark and no bite. That term refers to someone who talks a lot but lacks action. This idiom resonates with the second habit that keeps you stuck, the knowing-doing gap. The knowing-doing gap refers to the discrepancy between what you know you should do in a particular situation and what you do. One example could be when you try to improve your physical health by exercising more and eating a healthier diet. You may know that you should exercise for at least 30 minutes a day and choose healthy, whole foods over processed snacks. However, you may find it difficult to follow through on these recommendations. As a result, you struggle to find the time or energy to exercise, or you may have a hard time resisting the temptation of unhealthy foods. The result is you are stuck in the loophole of romanticizing your goals. So, what can you do to make your goals a reality? Well, it will not be easy at first, but here are some of the things you can put into action. First, you need to devise a plan. Devising a plan of action that outlines the steps needed to achieve your goals can help you stay organized and focused. Next, break your goal down into smaller, more manageable steps. Doing this, it can make the task seem more achievable and help you stay motivated and on track. Then, keep track of your progress. Regularly reviewing progress can help you stay motivated and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. Last but not least, stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and avoid letting setbacks or obstacles derail your efforts. This might include setting small rewards for reaching your milestone or enlisting the support of friends or family. By adopting these strategies, you can work to bridge the knowing-doing gap and take effective action based on your knowledge. Habit number 3. You are a success junkie. Do you validate your worth based on the things you accomplished and are in constant pursuing of achieving? How about when you're idle? What do you feel and do? If you say yes to the former and feel worthless on the latter, that only means that you are a certified success junkie. Now, to be clear, There is no problem in wanting to achieve your goals. The problem is when you undervalue your achievements and compare them to others, to the point that you forgot to acknowledge your efforts in accomplishing tasks, and the thought that time is not enough will always be your foe. Being a success junkie could paralyze your self-esteem and can lead to feeling of anxiety, stress, and pressure to constantly perform at a high level. It may also lead to feelings of inadequacy or disappointment if you are unable to meet other people's high standards, or if you feel that your achievements are not being recognized or valued by others. So, what can you do to beat this mindset? First, find joy in the process. Focus on the journey and the process you're making rather than just the result. This can help you find enjoyment and satisfaction in your work, even if you don't always achieve your goals. Second, take a pause. Take breaks and allow yourself time to rest and recharge. This can aid in the prevention of burnout and the maintenance of a healthy work life balance. Lastly, practice gratitude. Take time to reflect on and appreciate the things you have accomplished and the progress you have made. This can help you feel more positive and fulfilled. Remember, it is okay to have goals and strive for success, but it is important to find a healthy balance and prioritize your well being. Alrighty, guys, let's take a quick pause. Which of these habits resonate with you? Let me know your answers by leaving a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Moving on to the next habit. Habit number 4. You multitask religiously. Multitasking is the act of performing multiple tasks simultaneously or switching back and forth between tasks. It is a common practice in today's fast-paced world, as many people feel that they need to be constantly busy and productive. It can take various forms, such as doing 2 or more tasks at the same time, like talking on the phone while writing an email. Quickly switching between tasks like checking emails, responding to messages, and attending a meeting all within a short period. And performing tasks that require different skills or abilities, such as writing a report while also responding to customer inquiries. While multitasking can help people feel more productive and efficient, it can also have a negative effect, such as the feeling of being stuck. Studies have shown that multitasking can lead to decreased productivity, as it can be difficult for the brain to fully focus on more than one task at a time. It can also lead to increased stress and decreased satisfaction with work. To prevent this from happening, here is what you can do. First is to train your brain. Practice focusing on one task at a time, as this can help improve your ability to concentrate and reduce the negative effects of multitasking. As is written in an old Chinese proverb, taking one step at a time is good walking. Next, set priorities. Determine which tasks are most important or urgent, and focus on completing them first. This can help you avoid trying to multitask on less critical tasks. Then, practice mindfulness. Pay attention in the present moment and focus on the task at hand. This can help you avoid multitasking and increase your concentration and productivity. Habit number 5. You're attached to your phone. In this day and age, it's no doubt that many of us have cell phones. Cell phones have become an integral part of our daily life, providing a wide range of capabilities and function that can be accessed on the go. Due to that efficiency, we can do things with a few clicks. So to speak, the possibility to acquire knowledge is endless. That is why a lot of us bury our heads on our phones. However, sometimes you may not notice, but using your phone consumes so much of your time, to the point that you forget to allot time to other things. Some of these events occur daily, like constantly checking your phone or using it during social gatherings or conversations, and using your phone between work hours, which strain your productivity. This kind of habit is one of the culprits that keep you and so many others stuck. And because you were stuck in being a slave of your phone, that means that it completely took over your life. So to recap, to win over in getting you unstuck, you want to set limits on your usage, which involves setting specific times and turning off notifications for non-essential apps, or setting your phone to do not disturb mode at specific times of the day. Instead of using your phone for entertainment, try finding other activities that you enjoy, such as reading, exercising, or spending time with friends and family. Lastly, take breaks. It can be helpful to take regular breaks from your phone to give your mind and body a chance to rest. Overall, remember it is okay to use your phone and enjoy the many benefits it provides. The key is to find a balance and be mindful of your phone usage to avoid negative consequences. And there you have it. These are the 5 habits that keep you stuck and what you can do to overcome them. I hope that you will start working on these habits to achieve the life that you desire. Go back and re listen and post the notes somewhere you can see it. Then take action. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more life changing content. We'll see you on our next one. Bye for now.